Hi, my name is Mauricio, shaper for MG Surfboards here in Australia, and I'd like to give you guys a little insight on the new model called Good Model. It's something that Cooper, Chapman and I are working together, and it's pretty exciting.
I pitched him the idea to do a board model around the Good Human Factory, my little mental health initiative, and yeah, he's agreed that we're going to put the Good logo on my board model instead of doing a signature model. And yeah, every board, $100 from the board sale will go towards the Good Human Factory, where I'll be delivering talks to kids at schools about building mental resilience. So really pumped to be working with MG. We've come up with an amazing board model. It's pretty simple. It's just a nice short board, easy outline, a little bit flatter rocker than I guess your normal high performance board, because I feel like we surf pretty average waves pretty often. So this board will go in all conditions. Pretty low rails, single, concave, nice clean outline. I'm pumped on how it goes, but the best thing about the board is the yellow rails and the good smiley face. I want people to, when they ride it, see it as a little reminder to be kind to each other and yeah, have fun and be smiling and enjoy your surfs.